Hello, it's Law. Today. Now, I'm thinking about doing it because it's going to be the August edition. I think June and July are against Vietnam. It's only a video of the trip. I wanted to post something else. I just couldn't edit it in time. This is the frequency of updates. Well, I'm hoping to be able to update it once a week as usual from August, and I'm thinking of doing my best to edit it. How did you like the video of your trip? If you haven't seen it yet, it's a masterpiece, so please take a look. I think so. This is the video. August. Since it is the coordination of, in the last July coordination, T-shirt 8000, the coordination of, I sent it to you. This time, August, short sleeve shirt 8. I think I'll do it because it's a coordination. I think. Of my video. There are 8 coordinated videos each time. I'm sending it to you. Well, I have 2 days off a week and days off from work. At 8 schools.
Every time.
We are coordinating. I wore a t-shirt with the last July coordination, so this time I wore a half sleeve shirt, and if you look at both together, I think it will be easy to use as a reference for your summer coordination. Please also take a look at this together. Also, me, in the coordinated video, best video after. Feel for yourself. I'm saying my thoughts. Coordinated. Do the evaluation yourself. I'll do it myself. We have a corner called the best and worst. With this hatch outfit, I was really unsatisfied with the combination and overall look it presented. I'm delighted to present outfits that I personally believe are absolutely the best. If they catch your interest, feel free to explore them in detail. Okay, let's go to the main story. Thank you for your support. Alright, let's do it. These are the shoes from the first coordination I tried. I bought them during my trip to Thailand last year and absolutely loved them. It's sandals. I like it because it's quite summery. That's the Hawaiian shirt that partners with this top. It's from Sunsurf's exclusive Hawaiian shirt collection, a perfect summer wear choice. Inside is Gildan's tank top. I'm casually placing these sunglasses on top as an accent to the entire look. The coordination is, you've been liking it lately. Little Hawaiian shirt. I want to take advantage of. I use this as a tank top, but the open neck is cool. These pants are from Ralph Lauren. Eurowork pants. It's nice that there's a lot of reality in the guessing cloth. It just looks vintage. Now, I think it's a very resort-like process. Next coordination. That's right. The shoes that match this are, it's an Alden calf leather loaf, a timeless favorite I wear often. The matching top shirt is just ideal for the outfit. Vintage. Oh. It's a full pattern shirt. It's probably a 60s shirt. As before, I think I'll try to coordinate it this time. This open color shirt is insane. The color is not mustard yellow, it's gold. It feels quite a thug. That's good, isn't it? The collar is also wide and looks vintage. To complement this gold shirt perfectly, a classic collectible from Vintage Boy Scouts of America. Those are work pants. It will be a coordination that matches the work and beautiful eyes. Oh, the following coordination is shoe skirt. Of Alden, loafer shoe style. It's the coordination. This is it's one of the thoughtfully curated outfits that aims to radiate an aggressive or unconventional vibe. This shirt is vintage. In a work shirt, I think this was also in the 60s. It's a pretty interesting design shirt. When I take this off, it's a triangle. This is rare. It's not cut anymore, it's a well-sewn design. This is like, it's not something to look at. What do you think, cuffs or something? This is a curve and it's an interesting curve. As an outfit, it's quite aggressive. It's better to go in. Yes. Next, the shoes of, this is also Alden, this time in Sweden. It's Roper. It will be a complaint strap thing. The look of the outfit is a little similar, but the color is a little more subdued. It will be the coordination you did. High socks. This time I was a little weird. One, that's the point. This shirt is old. I guess it's about used. It's a striped silk shirt, quite elegant and refined. This. It's nice to be unique. The accompanying pants are black with two distinctive Portocino tags attached. A little stronger Ralph Lauren. As if pushing out, I guess it's a selection of items. Oh, the next shoe is crafted from premium cuff leather, something I worked on earlier. It's a Rover. From this point on, a little bit I feel like I want to create a color that has a floating feeling. It's summer, but maybe autumn and winter. How about this bowling shirt? Isn't it crazy cool? Blue is also, I wonder if anyone wears it too much. To match that shirt, Labor's sunglasses too. It's the one with the navy lens color. This bag has chain stitching on the front. It's a shirt. I guess chain installation isn't very popular these days. I don't see it. This Ralph Lauren waist. Someone is free. It's shorts. The bag is also a step further. Embroidery, it's really nice. Oh, the next sandal. Which brand was this? I'm going to put it on now. You bought it at a select store. Designer sandals. This outfit is designed for late August, featuring short-sleeved shorts with a collar that exudes emptiness, reminiscent of winter's vibe. It's coordination. Fine, deeply astringent. These are gold accessories that match the green. Button-down shirts. After all, if it's a deep green color, it feels quite autumn and winter. These shorts too, quite engine color. The overall pattern is already Ralph Lauren, but I think it shows a little autumn-winter style. Next, the shoes are also from Alden. It's a calf leather Roper camel. These two, I guess that's it. I want to wear white overall. That's the coordination I tried. I wanted to incorporate a little of the scarf I used to make t-shirts. I tried it. Basically, I'm mostly casual, but I've been trying to incorporate this kind of beautiful style little by little lately. The scarf is attached to the ring. The shirt, I guess it's Ralph's button-down shirt made of philosophy material. The pants are J. Crew 2-tuck shorts. It will be 2-tuck long pants. This belt, it's a brown leather, so match it. I also chose a rocker. It's the last one. This one, sandals. Island slippers. This leather, it will be sandals. I guess the strap is a little different from normal. What about this black, vintage bowling shirt? It's been the same with t-shirts lately, but there were a lot of large sizes, so I wonder if it's been a while since I came to the tighter size. What about these sunglasses? This is a little weird. I thought I wanted to wear sunglasses. I borrowed it from my wife. Like blue earlier, chain stitched on both sides and back. In a bowling shirt chintz. The pants I've paired with this ensemble are vintage tuxedo pants, featuring an intricate sideline detail. It's exquisitely good. It doesn't contain many bacteria. How about suddenly wearing tight clothes here? Okay, so what did you think of the main story?
I said at the opening,
In July coordination and August coordination?
t-shirt and half. I divided them into sleeve shirts, and this time I put together a coordination. This time it's only a short sleeve shirt.
The time is August.
In a pretty difficult time. If you are in the apparel industry,
It's about time for autumn and winter items. It's a time when you want to get involved. It's almost time for summer.
I strongly believe that now is the ideal moment to seriously contemplate making that purchase.
It's just that it's really hot outside.
Able to cope with summer.
Well dressed.
And this time I aim to capture the essence of autumn and winter through vibrant colors, presenting a carefully curated seasonal coordination.
You're this August.
At the time, if it helps, I think it's a blessing. Alright then, before let's go to the worst corner.
And
I think,
this particular moment in time.
which one among these options should I decide is truly the worst?
The worst one this time is this outfit with a multi-striped vintage shirt.
Worst one coordination. It will be.
This shirt me, it's quite my favorite though. Just a little bit. But I want to dress strangely. Coordinate. There are two coming, this and this.
In shorts, socks.
These are high socks.
It's about matching. I thought it was strange because it doesn't look like it does much on the outside. It's weird, but I guess I was a little too aggressive. Actually, if you ask me if I want to dress like this, the number of occasions is quite limited.
Actually, the coordination didn't seem to be that effective.
Alright then, the base this time. I believe I am going to visit the Stowen Coordination Center today.
This time, the best coordination.
It will be perfectly matched and coordinated with this stylish black bowling shirt.
It's this coordination. A black bowling shirt. It is also quite rare.
I really like it too.
Lately it's been shirts, but big sizes are still popular.
But it's almost time. Occasionally I feel like only wearing titles and focusing on eyes. That's what I've been thinking lately. In such a situation, this black shirt is quite special. It's the title, isn't it? The top. So the rest, it's bamboo.
Books. A bowling shirt is a type of shirt.
We can put it out. I find it a bit difficult to match the length of the tank top inside. I thought it would be difficult, but I think tank tops are better. It's a little difficult to layer, isn't it, if it's an equal shirt? So take the plunge and go in. Clean your bowling shirt. Let's wear it.
That's the theme.
I decided to wear a pair of elegant tuxedo pants for the occasion. This one isn't that expensive either. Firmly and properly.
It's vintage clothes. That sideline that makes it look refreshing. I really like it. It's black, but I think the sidelines with different materials are exquisite and nice.
From September already. More and more autumn-specific ones. I think you want to shift. First of all, I guess it's because the child is lukewarm. Alright then, what are you doing now? August edition.
How did you like it?
Even among you.
Isn't this coordination weirder?
If you think this coordination would be better, please leave it in the comments section. If only you could tell me, I think. Alright, so thank you for watching the video again today. Thank you for your continued support for the next video.